Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you how to make a voice control light project, so we can control uh the light of our microbyte and tiny bit with our voice. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the link, namely makecode.macrobit.org. I already give you the link in the description of this video. And then now let's get started. Now uh uh click this button, create a new project, and then give the name is voice control light. So when we talking in front of our microbyte, so he will be light up. It will be light up, and then uh the light is depend on our voice. Okay, now let's get started. We're gonna make like this one. And so first you need to add an extension. The extension is in GitHub. This one, the extension, I will give you the extension in the description below. And then copy the link of this extension, and then wait, and then click this one, extension, and then put the URL and click this one. And then now we already add a new extension, but now maybe we just use a little bit of block in this extension. Okay, now let's start it. First you need to take this block. Take this block. Wait, I'm sorry. You need to take this block, and then the icon is up to you. If you want to take this icon, is up to you. Maybe I gonna take a skeleton, a skull. And now go to the new pixel and take this one. Take this block and this block. Show and clear. And then throw all of the variables, and we're gonna make a new variable named strip. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot. Okay, now go to the tiny bit and take RGB car program. Put inside of this block. And now, wait, I will delete it. And now we're gonna code like this one. Like this one. Now, let's go. Now go to the logic and check if true. And then what else? Oh, still in the logic. Take this block and change being more than. Wait. And change the value being 100, and this one is check this block, voice sensor return. And then what else? Set strip random. And now go to the variable and check this, set strip. And the next is math. Go to the math, pick, and then check pick random 0 till 5. Is that true? Okay, that was true. And now go to the tiny bit extension and check this one, check this block, and then check pick random block, or you want to duplicate it, change it by 20 to 255, and then and then put it all in all of the this one, the whole. And now go to the NeoPixel. Wait, I'm gonna looking for it. Maybe in the more. Take this block. Wait. Oh yeah, this one. Take the show color one. And then change the strip being RGB car program. And then put this one over here. Okay, now you can duplicate this one again and put inside of the hole in the red, green, and blue. Wait, wait, I wanna. And then uh, take the same block of this one like this. Take the block like this one. Or if you don't want to take it again, you can duplicate it. And now we're gonna make like this one. So first we need you need to go to the basic and wait, and take a forever block, and then go to the logic, take if then else, and copy again until what, until how many, 1 2 3 4 6 till 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the last is else. No. Okay, duplicate it, duplicate it. What is it, man? Okay, now we're gonna change it. We're gonna take this one. Take the same block like this. Go to the logic like usually and take the same. And go to the variable, take strip, and then put all of the block, the same block of this one, in all of the whole if then. And then change the number being 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And now we're gonna put the icon. The icon is up to you. You want to give what icon? Wait, I'm gonna give it like this, and then where this one and this one. Okay, it's already. Now, like usually, if already code in micro in the make code.microbit.org, you can download it, your project. Click download, and then after that You can change, you can upload uh your own file to what's the name, to the microbyte. How can we do that? First, you need to have a USB cable, and USB cable is already connect to your laptop, and then connect it to your microbyte too. Wait, what is it? And then if you see, there is a microbit file, and then put our project, or drag our project and drop it to that file. Wait, this is loading. Wait a minute. Okay, it's already. Now you can see on your own microbyte. We're gonna see it. Where we're gonna see it now. Okay, now I will tell you what is the result of our project before. So this is the result one. If you already put the file into your microbyte, you can connect it to your TinyBit if you have. And then if you want to turn on the microbyte, uh you can turn on using this button, using this one. And then see, if you didn't see, I will. There is looks like uh what's the name? There is a lamp. Wait, I will look. Okay, now there is the lamp in here, and when I speaking, looks, he's changing the light, because of my sound is controlling the light, and then the icon is changing too. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if the picture is not clearly, or my sound is not clearly, or maybe there's a mistake for me. I'm sorry for all of them. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.